Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be making a K-pop journal spread for Pentagon's song and music video Daisy. If you don't know, Pentagon is one of my alt groups. Hui is my bias, which if you didn't realize, that's where Strawberry Hui comes from. So if you don't stand Pentagon, you should definitely check this out because this music video is amazing. First of all, I've said this before, but Pentagon never lets me down, especially with title tracks. I think I love literally every single Pentagon title track. Like, they're probably some of my favorite songs, not to be basic, but yeah, I always love their title tracks. They are so amazing. And from the teaser of this song, I thought it was gonna be like a ballad maybe, because it seemed like it was going to be really sad, which I mean it is kind of sad. I guess I don't really know 100% what is happening in this music video, but the aesthetics are amazing. But I kind of ran into another situation, which if you watched my most recent video, which was for Map of the Soul 1, the BTS online concerts, I talked about how sometimes it's hard to make a spread with pictures that don't have a cohesive color scheme, and I definitely ran into this issue with this spread because every scene of this music video is just completely different. Like, it's a different color, there's a different like thing going on, and so at first I was like, I don't even know where to begin. And sometimes when that happens, I just literally end up screenshotting all of the parts that I think look cool aesthetically that I want to include, and then I just hope to figure it out eventually. Also, you might notice that I opted to use screenshots from the music video instead of like scrapbook paper or something to like add into the background. Part of that is because, just like I said, I just couldn't pick colors that would go with this music video because every scene was a different color. So there were just so many like really aesthetic like scenes that didn't even have anybody in it. Like, it was just like a set, or you know, like this zoom in on the flower kind of thing that was just really pretty that I wanted to include. So I thought using it as kind of like a background situation would make it kind of interesting. So here's where I kind of started to struggle about like what I wanted to do to decorate this spread. I originally started with going with my default washi tape, and I just didn't like how it looked, and I don't know why this idea came to me, but I was like, what if I just rip up some book pages and stick it in there? You guys know, if you watch my videos a lot, that I like to use like ripped book pages in my spreads a lot, and I don't know, I just wanted something more, and I just thought it would look kind of cool, and I do think it ended up looking pretty cool. And then I used a different washi tape that kind of has like some flowers and plants on it that I just felt went with the whole theme of the song and the music video. So yeah, I think that it ended up turning out okay, because at first I was just like, this is not working for me, but considering it's like all different colors, I think that the kind of neutral book pages just kind of made it a little bit more interesting. And then I just decided to do a pretty simple lettering because I feel like the spread is already pretty busy. Like, there's a lot to see visually. So I didn't want to have like some kind of crazy fancy lettering because I just felt like that would take away from all of the visual elements going on otherwise on the spread. So then I just added on some final touches, and here's a look at the final spread. I'm really happy with this spread. Like I said, it can be really hard to make a spread come together when all of the pictures are so different, but I really, really like how this turned out. I love this song. I love this music video. It is so aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, I'm really happy with this spread. If you also liked it and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!